Everyone talks about streaming convenience, but almost nobody talks about what happens when your internet dies, your subscription expires, or your favorite movie suddenly disappears from a platform overnight. That's exactly why apps like VidiKeep are suddenly getting so much attention online. Imagine building your own offline library filled with Netflix series, Disney Plus movies, Prime Video originals, and even Apple TV content, all saved directly to your device in high quality, with no buffering, no ads, and no expiration timers. That's the promise VidiKeep is pushing right now. And honestly, it sounds like something a lot of streaming users have been waiting for. Instead of depending completely on cloud streaming, this app focuses on giving users more control over how and where they watch content. Whether you're traveling, dealing with weak internet, or just tired of streaming restrictions, VidiKeep is trying to turn your favorite movies and TV shows into permanent offline files you can access anytime. One of the biggest highlights is video quality. Most offline download features inside streaming apps come with heavy limitations, but VidiKeep claims to support downloads in up to 1080p and even 4K in some cases. That means users can keep the cinematic quality instead of settling for compressed mobile versions. The app also supports MP4 and MKV formats, which makes playback easier across laptops, TVs, smartphones, tablets, gaming consoles, and basically any modern device. Another feature getting attention is the batch downloading system. Normally, downloading entire seasons from streaming apps can be painfully slow because you often have to save episodes one by one. VidiKeep changes that with a one-click batch engine that can process multiple episodes or even full movie collections at the same time. And then there's the freedom factor. Most streaming downloads come with restrictions. Files expire after a few days, require internet verification, or only work inside official apps. VidiKeep tries to remove those barriers completely by converting content into standard formats that can be stored permanently and transferred anywhere. According to the app, once the content is downloaded, it's yours to keep without worrying about region locks, disappearing titles, or subscription limits. Now let's talk about how you actually use the app, because this is where things become surprisingly simple. First, you need to download VidiKeep on either Windows or macOS. The download link is provided in the description box below. Once the installer finishes downloading, open it and follow the installation steps normally like any other software. After setup is complete, launch the app from your desktop or applications folder. When you open the software, you'll notice built-in icons for streaming services like Netflix, Amazon Prime Video, Disney Plus, Hulu, HBO Max, and Apple TV. Click whichever platform you want to use, and the app opens an integrated web player directly inside the software. Then, simply log into your streaming account securely. Next, search for the movie or TV show you want to download. Open its page and hit the download icon so the app can analyze the content. After that, a settings window appears where you can choose video quality, video format, subtitle type, audio language, and sound quality. This is basically where you customize your entire download experience. Once everything looks good, press the download button and the software starts processing the videos. For TV shows, you can select full seasons or remove episodes you don't want. There's also an add to list option that lets you queue multiple movies and shows together before downloading them all at once. That's pretty much everything you need to know about VidiKeep. If you want to check it out yourself, you can grab it directly from the very first link in the description box below.